Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to send your USDT from Bitmart to Bybit. First of all, you need to log into your Bitmart account, then you need to go to the assets on the top right menu, go to the spot account, and in this list you need to find USDT. On the right side of the USDT, you need to click withdraw. Then you need to select the first option, crypto network, and we need to select the network. I suggest you to use BIP20 network because it has got the lowest fees and also it's the fastest way to transfer your USDT. Then we need to enter the wallet address. So let's go to Bybit and find our USDT BIP20 wallet address. Go to the assets on the top right, go to the funding account. We need to find USDT. If you can't find it, you can just use the search and type USDT. On the right side of the USDT, you need to click deposit. Then you need to select the network, in this case BIP20. And you need to copy this wallet address, go back to Bitmart and paste the wallet address inside this gap. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT. Minimum withdrawal amount is 2. For example, you're sending 10 USDT, you will receive only 9 USDT. The fee will be fixed 1 USDT. It doesn't matter if you send 1000, the fee will be the same, guys, only 1 USDT. Click withdraw now, confirm the transaction, and in maximum 2 or 3 minutes you can check your balance on Bybit. To check your balance, go to the assets again, go to the funding account, and right here you will see your USDT balance. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.